Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is a challenge lock made by Tobias and Julian. This lock is called the Piston Stroke Challenge Lock, and it's a very interesting lock. The inside of the pins is just truly a form of art. They are just so expertly handcrafted with so much detail. You cannot believe that someone could make that for the inside of a lock. This is the key that operates the lock, and it works very smoothly. I'm going to be careful when I take the key out because I took the clip off the back because I don't have the tool to take this off easily, so I don't want to be struggling with that once we get the lock open. But we'll see what it takes to get this lock open. I'm very excited to be able to pick this and gut it. And thank you so much to Bill Bacardi and Bobby Keyz for sending this lock my way and giving me the opportunity to give it a try. And get this up in the vise here. I'm going to use the top of the keyway tension in 50 thousandths and a standard hook in 25 thousandths. Angle this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to start off with pin 1. Immediately drops you off in a little false set. 2, click. 3, I got to click. 4, got a little click. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think stuff's starting to slowly work its way up. Click on 3. We'll click on 4. A little bit on 5. 1 dropped us in that false set. 2 counter rotation. Multiple clicks. 3. 4 counter rotation, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, put us in a good false set. 5's binding up, giving me multiple clicks, and the false set got a little bit deeper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Getting some counter rotation off of 5, but it's not really taking me anywhere. 1 gave me that false setback. 2, multiple clicks, little counter rotation. 3, multiple clicks, a little counter rotation. 4, multiple clicks. Come on, 4. Alright. 5. Multiple clicks, counter rotation. It's having a hard time keeping this lock in the vise here. Let's go back to 1, to 2, to 3, to 4, to 5. Let's see what's happening. 1, put us back in that false set. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to try increasing my tension a little bit. It seems like every time I make any progress I'm dropping something. Three, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1's not pretty good. 2 feels good. 3 got a little click. 4 got a little click. 5. 4. Deeper false set. Come on, 2. Little counter rotation off 2. This lock gives some really odd feedback, but once we get this lock gutted, you'll see what everything looks like, and hopefully it'll make a little bit more sense. Let's see what we're missing here. 1 feels good, 2, 3 feels good, 4 opened us up. Alright, so I'm going to be careful as I take this lock out of the vise. I have taken the clip off the back, so I do not want everything to go everywhere. So let me just get everything together here, and we will get this lock taken apart. Let me adjust our angle a little bit here. Attempt to keep everything in frame. But thank you again, Bill Bacardi and Bobby Keyz, for getting this lock out to me. This is just such a cool lock, and I'm so excited for everyone to see what's inside of it. I am not going to use a shim because I believe everything in it's okay. Just going to slide out the plug here, and we'll leave that on the side for now, and we will try to get a really good close look at the pinning. So here is 1, and 1 was a really strange feeling pin, and okay, so 1 looks like it's kind of spooled on the top. Okay. Two's a pen and pen. Okay. Three, just kind of spooled looking. 4, spooled. 5, spooled. 'Looks like there's some undercutting in 2, some threading in 4, but we'll take a look at that in a minute. Now, here's what I'm really looking forward to, the driver pins. So this is a piston like you'd see in an internal combustion engine, and you can see how it's oriented. It is really cool looking. I'm going to put up some photos of this afterwards so we can really get a good look at these pins. But I want to try to get them out so you can see them as well. But they should all look identical. This is the piston stroke challenge lock after all. I'm not going to worry about that spring. I'll just dump all the springs at the end. Tobias and Julian, great job on making this lock. I will try to investigate and see if pin 2 in fact had a spring or not, but for now, this is the lock. I'll show you a little close-up here, and then I will just stand by for some photos of these pins close up. Alright, so I can see the spring in chamber 2 actually right now. It's pretty stuck. There it is. Alright guys, well thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Thank you so much for checking this out and have a great day.